Happy birthday to me. Yep, my birthday. We got back down here though. Had a few presents. Daughter's bought me a lovely pizza oven. Sadly, it's stuck on the evergreen. So, not too sure when we get it. She ordered it 4 weeks ago. They promised delivery before the end of April. We shall see. Still got a day to go. Anyway, we're down here for the morning. We've got to go. We're doing a bit of a walk in the afternoon. And yeah, Domino's pizza for tea. Obviously might have been the pizza oven, but obviously it's Domino's now. So we'll have Domino's. Not sponsored, sadly. But anyway, a few parts arrived, a few more bits are arriving today. I think what we're trying to do now in this morning is we're trying to run the other pipe. I've got the fittings that have turned up so we can make that. And the hose for the inlet has arrived as well, the slightly larger one. So we'll do that as well and see how we get on. But yeah, let's do something. Okay, got our second pipe laid in. So basically we need to make a little short bit now. Meet up with the 90 degree and then we'll shoot off back with a bit of length of stainless steel that we got to roughly meet up. Or roughly, I should have brought the other pipes down, which I was silly not to the back pipe. We'll have a quick look at the old videos just to see where it was. Okay, we just soak tested it, it's full of water. Made the extension on the end there, so we've eliminated one of the pipes, although we've then added some welded joints, but hey, seems to be holding pressure at the moment. Now, to move on to the intake while that's cooling down and tested. I've got myself a, don't apologise, there we go, it's a reducer to go from that to the intake. So yeah, let's get that plugged in. The only thing I haven't done at the moment is the breathers. The breathers are meant to feed back into the intake. So we can either run them to a catch can, vent them to atmosphere, which is obviously not good because it's just going to oil everywhere, or we have to feed them back into the inlet. But we'll work on that at some other point. So I haven't been videoing much, I've been just getting on with things. So basically, yeah, you can see the second pipe there. Could have done slightly better on the angle, but it'll do for now. So yeah, as you can see there, it's all solid now all the way to back there. So that's the only connections there. So again, maybe we're moving back further if we can at some point. Otherwise, yeah, put a firewall or something. But again, this is all going to be boxed in eventually. So yeah, moving on to the front. Been playing about cutting this pipe. I noticed that some of the studs that I've used to hold the crossover water pipe on were a bit high, so I managed to get in there and cut them off just to stop them rubbing on the tube. And so yeah, so that's all nice, one piece there. Maybe chop this down a little bit now and just bring it this way, but I need to get all the air filter back home and everything that's at home brought back here so we can set that up. We've also connected up the top hose now with proper Jubilee clips. Some good tough ones that I got sent, thank you very much. So again, yeah, it'd be nice if that was one pipe and saves two more a joint and two more clips, but it is what it is. Somebody did mention about the radiator. I chopped all the connections off, didn't I, to swap them around. Why didn't they? I think basically what they were saying was like, hey, why don't you just turn the radiator around and then mount the fans on the other side, which was a very good point, and it's a thing that I never thought of. So yeah, next time I'll do that. Much a bit easier than trying to piss about trying to do all the water pipes and everything, you know. Yeah, cutting these out and replacing them if you saw. I mean, it's not the end of the world if you're a good TIG welder, but actually mounting the fans on the other side, I expect I could have bodged with a bit of command strips or lock zip ties. But anyway, we are now. We've gone that route. I don't make all the right reasons. Whee! What else can we do before we have to go home? Quick shout out to my other daughter who printed me off, 3D printed me the vial tubes thing that goes inside the shaving foam in Jurassic Park that the nerdy guy steals. So because basically me and Madison want to build a replica Jeep at some point from Jurassic Park. So she printed me those, so thank you very much, Madison. And Deanna, thank you for the pizza oven that's stuck in somewhere, but we'll get there eventually and we'll eat pizzas. Loads of them. if I ever have a YouTube open day, yeah, we'll bring that down. Okay, that's going to be it for today. I've just finished wiring the power steering pump. Now battery's gone a bit flat, so we need to get that alternator connected up. We've ordered the belt that's arrived, I've just got to go collect it. So yeah, I'll try and collect the belt tonight. We'll have a full day hopefully tomorrow on it. So the plan is to try and get it full of water tomorrow, even though I haven't finished welding the aluminium radiator yet. So I must take that home in a second, otherwise I'm never going to be able to do it. If it's not here, I'll have to go home and come back and order this. So yeah, thank you for all your birthday wishes. Hope everyone's having a good day and it's having enjoy your long weekend. If you've got a bank holiday Monday, we can hopefully get a few more days in. And yeah, sorry the content's not much on this one, but it's my birthday. Catch up later. I'll keep checking the comments later and say hi. Yeah, bye, hit the like, thanks and all that, and subscribe and do everything. Help me out. Bye. Oh, noisy.